Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view extensions that are installed in your Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge browser and then select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that. And there should be an extensions button or selection in here. So go ahead and just left click on that. You should see a list of extensions in here, and if you want to see more details, you can select the Manage Extensions button, which will launch its own web page here to go ahead and view the installed extensions. Most web extensions do have options here to actually view details, so if you select the Details button, it'll give you additional options to adjust, such as allowing them in private mode, as well as adjusting site access, and if you want to enable them to be on or off, if you want to just temporarily disable them, as well as an option to remove them as well by just selecting the remove button down here. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.